Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about Google Drive and its uses. Okay, what is Google Drive? It is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. It allows users to upload, view, share, edit, retrieve files from the cloud. The main types of files here are document, images, audios, and videos. Okay, before we start, we must make sure that we get access to our Google Drive account. And to do so, we just open our navigator, then just type uh, Google. You come here, you can see all Google apps. You see Drive, you click on Drive. Yeah, my Google Drive is open. You can see my Google Drive open like that just because I have already created a Google account. Whether you create a Gmail account or any other account on Google, automatically you create a Google Drive account with the same address. Now that we are in our Google Drive account, we are going to start by uploading a file. To upload a file here, it is simple. You make a right click here, then you make new folder. If this new folder is to create, you type on file upload. You click on file upload. It will redirect you to your computer. You find your file. Here, this is the file that I'm going to upload. You click on it, then you click on open. The file is downloading. Okay, now that our file is uploaded, we can read our file. We can double click on it to open. And we also said we could modify the file in Google Drive. So to modify any file like this one, for example, you can delete part of the content here. Yeah. Okay. You see when everything you're doing, you see everything you are doing, it is saving. It means your file have been modified and saved correctly. Now you can close this. If we open back, you see that the modification has been changed. Okay, now how do we retrieve the files that you have uploaded? You simply click on a file, then you click on download. When you click on download, you download the file. You see the file is downloading. Yeah, the file has downloaded completely. Okay. Now you also have the possibility to share a file. You just click on, make a right click, then you click on share. Once you're there, you can add an address for a person that you want to share with. Then you can write any message indicating what is the document about and so on. Then you click on send. But we are not going to share it. It's just for you to see. Okay, we cancel. Done. Now you have seen how you can use your Google Drive to store your files, and you have to know that anytime you want to take back this file or edit this file on Google Drive, your account at most as your account is valid and that you still can connect to your Google Drive, you always have your files saved. And we have to note also that Google Drive gives you 15 gigabyte of space for you to use free, but you also have the possibility to buy space. If you want more space, you can click on buy storage. Then you can see, yeah, you can buy, here is free. You can buy 100 gig for $1.99 each per month, or you can buy even 200 gig and so on, and or you can buy even 2 terabit. So that is that for today. I hope you've liked the video. Like, go and subscribe for more videos and to encourage the community and ASTUS Infotech. Thank you very much. See you next for a new video.